Piper. Shall we try? Shall we try? We're learning box work. Yes, good girl. Okay, good girl. Here, over here. Now, can we get in the little box? Box? Yes. Okay, let's try it again. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Okay, all done? Yes. Let's do it again. Good baby. Box. Yes, good girl. Good girl. It's a good treat. I know you like this. Oops. Sorry, sticky. But you love it. Okay, come here. One more time. Can we get in the box? Huh? Can we get in the box? Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Can we get in this box? There, let's get in this box. Yes. Oh, that foot's not in. What happened there? Okay, come on. Let's try it again, Missy girl. I know. Okay, ready? Okay, can we get in the box? Yes. Very good. Ready? Let's get in the box. Yes! Very good. Okay, for you. Okay, one more time. Right? Hey. Yeah. Oh, box. Yes. Okay. Over here. Box. Good girl. Okay. Yay! Yay, puppy! Yay!